This is my new Cricut machine, and the only way that I was able to fix the red blinking light issue was by getting a replacement. But the thing is that I want to share with you is I didn't realize that I was able to get a replacement because my warranty was expired. So even if your warranty is expired, there is still a way for you to get a brand new replacement, and if you want to find out how, keep watching. So I had my Cricut machine for a year and a couple months, and then it just out of nowhere, one day I turned it on and there was an annoying little red blinking light, and no matter what I did, it didn't go away. There are a lot of YouTube videos out there of people having the same issue, and there are many technical ones, and I tried all of them. My dad took the Cricut machine apart, tried all of the technical checks, made sure that there were no wires that were loose or snapped or broken, and everything looked perfectly fine. So what I did was I contacted Cricut support team on their phone number. I did try sending emails, but that didn't really do anything. And once I rang the number, I was actually talking to a Cricut representative, and what happened was, so something to note, I got my machine from Amazon. I didn't even get it from the Cricut website. So I was just looking for advice, and I rang a representative on this number that you should also ring. And this is an American number. I live in Ireland, so for me to ring them for whatever amount of time we were speaking, maybe 10 minutes, it cost me €40. So it was quite expensive, and then the conversation just cut off, probably because I went over a certain amount of credit. But luckily at the start of the conversation, I had left them my email, and after the phone call ended, she contacted me. We sent a total of 23 emails back and forth, and she ended up offering me a replacement. So before she could do this, she asked me to do a number of steps. So this was the first email that I received with instructions. I had to uninstall the Design Space application and then restart my computer, install the application again, and that didn't work. So maybe before you contact them, you just get this step out of the way and you do it in advance. So I just forgot to mention that the email you see here is Cricut support, but I am talking to the same representative that I spoke to over the phone, and it's better to do it this way to get a case number off someone over the phone and then continue the conversation through email, because I did try emailing Cricut support before ringing and it didn't resolve the issue. Then she gave me a ticket number, and she asked me to place the ticket number beside the machine as I took a video of the issue. And once I did that, she said that their senior technicians approved a replacement and they were gonna send me a refurbished machine. And I was so surprised because, like I said, I got this from Amazon and they were just going to send me a machine even though my warranty had expired. I don't know if this was a mistake on their end and they didn't notice, but they did ask for my email address so that they can confirm my warranty. And as far as I am aware, the warranty is for 1 year, but I did have my machine for a year and 2 months, which is why I am saying it is worth trying, because I really didn't expect this outcome, but they ended up sending me it anyways. They asked me to cut up the belts on the inside of the machine. I did that. I sent them a photo, and that was it. That was the whole process. They did send me another email saying that they were out of stock for the month. Apologize for that, and I was not complaining because I didn't expect to even be getting a replacement, so I was happy. I waited the month, and then I had to wait a little bit more. So just keep in mind, if you do get a replacement, it's not going to be instant. The machine was sent to me from England, not from America, but even then it still took over a month. But before you do this, there are a lot of videos out there that help people with the technical checks. So I would advise to first open up your Cricut and see if there's anything wrong with it on the inside. Maybe there's simply something loose like wires, or if something is damaged, I'm not sure whether they're going to replace it then. For me, it was actually a technical error, a technical issue, because there was nothing physically wrong with the machine. So if you have already tried everything with no luck, then I would really recommend doing this, and I hope it works for some of you guys. Let me know in the comments what issue you are having, and if you tried this and it worked for you, I would love to know. And good luck!